Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Ahmed. In this short video, I try to give a quick demo for an idea I try to populate in the field of aviation and mechanics generally, which is trying to augment training courses uh, with 3D simulations of systems. In our training courses, we usually have very good PDFs and PowerPoint presentations, maybe short 2D animations, uh, but I'm trying to take it to the next level through 3D interactive systems. And what I mean by interactive is not only giving the students some videos or animations that we create to demonstrate the idea of the system. No, we give them like gamification of the system, a way to interact with the system and see how it responds. This can be done by very expensive softwares like MATLAB, SolidWorks, Autodesk Fusion 360. But the idea I try to populate is using the free open source software Blender to try to gamify these systems. The point of using a free and open source software is the cost of distribution. You can't ask your students to install MATLAB or to buy a license for MATLAB or Simulink or SolidWorks, but you can give them a zip file, which includes Blender and the files that you have created, and they just put it on their laptops, extract and run, and enjoy an interactive experience that can augment the learning experience in addition to the PDFs and the PowerPoint presentations that are used in the lectures or the training. So this is a quick demo. I will not go into the technical details of how we use Blender to create the systems. It's just a demo to demonstrate how we use these files. So here this is the helicopter AW139 servo actuator. I'm just testing the water. So you can see this is just, okay, this is, I move the pilot arm and we see how the pressure is in red, the return is in green, yellow is a static fluid. And we can see how when we move the pilot arm, the pressure direction switches and how this leads to the movement of the lower piston. And the piston gives its feedback to the spool to stop the infinite movement. Okay, no need to go into details of the mechanics. And so it's just, as I told you, it's a quick demo, a way to test the water and to get quick feedback from users, how they like the idea. So that's it. We can zoom in, zoom out. We can pan. This press space to toggle simulation. Some guys asked me, some colleagues, they think the simulation may be very quick for understanding. So when we make this movement, maybe it's so quick to understand. So if you press space, yes, you stop the simulation for a while. So you can, okay, now so I move it to the right. I can see the pressure switch direction, but no instant movement of the piston. Now you can start to move the piston in response until the spool valve closes the hydraulic path again. If you want to toggle the animation, the simulation, the live simulation back, just press space. And I think this is a better way. But the other point maybe if you want a slower understanding. So we can just delete this just to see our screen. So how we reach this, why I say it's easy. Let's do it together. I'll provide a link to download the file in the video description. Now I provide it only for Windows, but it's easy to provide it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So in future, if we proceed with this project, I shall provide the files for the three platforms. But this time it's only for Windows. So let me guide you through the procedure. You will find after you download the zip file and extract it, the zip archive and extract it, archive or archive and extract it, you will find, yes, this, okay, you will find this folder. Just double click on this file, AW139 underscore servo.exe. It will open this window. I'm not a professional video editor, so maybe I'm a little bit slow. Okay. And you will be able, let's return. Actually, this is what you will see at the beginning. And all you have to do to interact with the system at the beginning, just click this cube and start to move it to left and right. And you can see the system, how the system responds. This is the interactive experience I'm speaking about and how it can enhance our understanding for the system. Of course, there is a huge potential for much more to do. But I'm just, as I told you, it is a quick demo. I'm just testing the water. How we navigate, it's better to have a 3-button mouse. It will make your life much easier. But if you want to use touchpad, you can use 2 fingers. Okay, I'll start with the mouse. The middle button for rotation. Scroll in and scroll out for zoom. Shift and middle button for panning. Or you can use these buttons on the with a single click. These navigation tools on the right. You can explore them easily. Zoom, pan, rotation. Or you can use the touchpad, 2 fingers. So 2 fingers are for rotation, 2 fingers with shift for panning, 2 fingers gesture in and out for zooming. So I can zoom. Okay, zoom then pan. And I want, for example, to see this movement, so you can see it. So how this feedback of the spool valve happens, it happens through this mechanism. You can see it. Well, what I try to prove is an interactive software can make our life easier in explaining. So I now try to explain how it works, but I think if you download the file, just interact for a while with the spool valve and the pilot arm, it's a better idea. Please provide feedback for me. What do you think about this demo? What do you think about the potential? Any ideas? Any ideas to improve this idea? Let me know, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.